Hey guys, it's Destiny. If you are running for office this season, then this is for you. In this video, I'll be going over some essential campaign material you need to win the election. And make sure you watch the video to the very end to get some bonus tips on how to keep your campaign funded the whole time. The first essential thing that you need are yard signs. These are our 18 by 24. You can do 1 to 2 colors, and the most popular design is your name and the position you're running for, as well as the disclaimer at the bottom. The 1 to 2 color options are the best, and these are typically used to have at voting locations as well as pass to your supporters. Next, to tackle the door-to-door approach to campaigning, you will need push cards or door hangers. For door hangers and push cards, all you really need is your slogan, a picture, and maybe a few fun facts about your campaign. These also partner up very well with rallies or events that you are hosting. Mailers are another essential that you need for your campaign, for it tackles a larger audience. So similar to door hangers and push cards, all you really need is your picture, your slogan, and a few fun facts of your campaign. Nothing too much, just because you don't want to clutter the card. And we also have 2 different options. You can do the EDDM, which is every door direct mailing, which tackles every door in your neighborhood or your district. Or you can do the direct mailing, which is really good to give that personal touch to your voters. We also have other essential campaign material on our website, such as buttons, car magnets, and even bumper stickers. All of these items are on our website under the Cheap Political Signage page, so be sure to check that out. I'll have the link in the description below. As of the bonus tips that I promised before I get to them, be sure to like and comment under this video if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. The #1 issue in any campaign is always funding, but I have the best solution for you. If you buy any campaign material, what you can do is sell it on your website. So you can sell your t-shirts, your yard signs, or even your buttons. UZ Marketing has the best price as well as the best quality on all of these options, so be sure to check that out on our website. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to share this video with anybody you know running for office. And if you like this video and like to see more, leave a comment to tell us what you want to see next.